guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and try on of my August Play by Sephora box. So if you are interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I have gotten the Play by Sephora box for months and months, and then I got a new credit card number, forgot to update my account, and then totally just canceled it accidentally. And I just signed up, so this is my first month getting it again, which I'm so excited. I always really enjoyed it, so I saw some of the boxes that they did over the past couple of months, and I was really sad that I wasn't getting them, so I'm super excited to have this. This month it says Back to Beauty School is what the little bag says. So I'm excited about what is in here. I've obviously already put everything on my face. So if you're not familiar with Play by Sephora, it is $10 a month, and I will link it down below in the bottom bar, as well as everything that I got in my box this month will be listed down below in case you're looking for it. But it is $10 a month, and you get 5 sample size products as well as a bonus. The bonus used to always be a fragrance sample, which I personally liked, but they recently changed it, and now it can be kind of a bunch of different categories as the bonus. What I really like about this box is that everything can be bought at Sephora. It's like a well-known brand, and it's easy to get your hands on if you do enjoy it. I was getting Ipsy for a long time, and the thing that I didn't like about that is that if I really loved a product, you still would have to go to that brand's website to reorder it. And a lot of times those sites, you have to like spend $50 to get free shipping, and like, what if I only want an eyeliner? I just didn't think it was as convenient as being able to just grab it at the place that I'm already shopping. So I do enjoy that you can get everything at Sephora, and it's all really nice brands. So like I said, if you're not familiar with it and you want to learn more, I will link it down below in the bottom bar in case you're interested. So let's hop in. I will kind of show you guys what I got and apply it as I go along. The first thing in the box is from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. This is the C+ Collagen Deep Cream. So it smells good. It doesn't have a super strong smell at all. Whoa, I put way too much on my hand. I'm gonna blend that down on my neck. This feels pretty light, even though it's like a white, it seems like it would be a heavy cream. It does feel lightweight. It feels really like refreshing almost. And I do really like the scent, even though it's not something really strong. So I'm going to let that sit, and then I will be back for the next item that's in the box. All right, so I just finished my foundation. The next thing in the box is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I actually haven't opened one of these. This is such cute little packaging. I actually was looking at this packaging, and I'm like, how come regular Hoola can't come in this? The regular Hoola comes in their box packaging, and I just personally don't like this packaging. I don't like that you have to put your brush all the way down into the box, but this is just a nice like little pan. I'm so excited to have this little mini guy. I think he's so adorable. But for today, I'm going to use the one that I already have open because I'm trying to work through the last little bit of it. I'm almost done with it. So I am going to take, this Real Techniques contour brush and dip it in there, and then I'm just going to kind of contour with this. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I have had it in my collection for a really long time. It's a neutral shade, which is great to contour with, and it's also matte, so it's a great face product. And I like that you can contour, but since it's not really cool toned, you can also kind of bronze up the skin with it as well. I even actually really like the brush that comes with the Hoola. Sometimes I'll use that to kind of like really blend it in. My baby hairs are out of control right now. I don't know why. I feel like I go through seasons of baby hairs, and right now they are insane. All right, now that my face makeup is done, the next thing in the box is from NARS. This is the Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, and it comes in this little package. I love sample packaging. I don't know why, I just think it's the cutest. So it has this little doe foot applicator, and it's a white formula, but I think that it is supposed to go on and be translucent. Let's see. So this says that it is a lightweight, long-lasting base, creates a fresh canvas by reducing redness and evening out discoloration while keeping your eye makeup in place and giving maximum color payoff. So let's go ahead and apply a little bit of this, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. And this doesn't look like it has a color, which I was wondering if I would like it as much as just using like a concealer or my foundation. I do like that it's not staying white because I don't usually wear enough eyeshadow that I need a like fully white base. I'm just gonna let that dry for a second. And then I'm taking my little Aphrodisiac palette from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to go in with Beyond, which is this nice transition shade. And this is really all I'm going to put on my eyes. A lot of times if I am just having like a normal day, I'll just put either a bronzer or just something warm in my crease. Okay, so I'm thinking I should have set that with a like white shade because this is going on. It's skipping a little bit and I can tell it's going on a little bit more patchy than it would if there was another shade under it. I'm thinking for this primer I should have put like this shade in there first, Sheets, before, and just set it with a powder before going in. So I'm gonna do that on this eye. Just kind of put that everywhere and soften it so that I don't get that skipping. And then I'm gonna go in with Beyond, the same color on this eye. All right, so I think that that applied nicely. Honestly, unless I was doing a like crazy look, I don't think that I would use a separate primer. I usually just put my foundation over on top of my eyelids and then set it with a powder. But that's just me and kind of like what I prefer to do every day. But I will test this out doing a more dramatic look. I don't think I'd be able to tell right off the bat anyway. I think you have to kind of wear it throughout the day and see if it helps your eyeshadow last. All right, my eye makeup is done. Moving on to lips. From Makeup Forever, I have the Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in the shade C211. Again, the most adorable little packaging, and this is the color. I think it looks really pretty and wearable. Okay, so this is the shade. I really like this. I think this is gonna be really, really pretty during fall. I think it's like the perfect fall shade. It's definitely more bold than I normally wear. I'm usually a new lips only girl, but I'm trying to step out of my box and I do like this. I think that it's really flattering and I think it's really pretty. So I'm going to try my best to wear this more often and kind of get out of my box and probably wear it more, like I said, during the fall. Okay, so I have 2 more items in the box. Usually it's 5 items plus a bonus, and they used to do a fragrance every month for the bonus, but they've kind of changed it. And this month the bonus is from Drybar. This is the Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm obviously not going to use this because I am not washing my hair at the moment. And then the other product is from Moroccanoil. This is the Dry Texture Spray. So I'm going to just throw some waves in my hair really quick and then I'll be right back and we will test this one out. Okay, so I just threw some waves in my hair. Let's go in with this Moroccanoil Dry Texture Spray. I hope this smells good. Yeah, it does. Okay, so normally what I do is I just grab my hair and then spray as I let it down. Whoa. The sprayer, I think, was still kind of stuck. Oh my gosh, look at the, holy cow. Okay, so that definitely added some volume. And this isn't, a lot of texture sprays that I use are, they kind of make your hair feel like grimy. And this doesn't at all. Ooh, I actually really like this. Okay, let's do the other side. This smells like a hair salon. Okay, I need to put another wave right here. If you guys want to see how I curl my hair, I actually just did a updated video that I will link up here for you guys. But I really, really like this texture spray. Yeah. that was a definite winner for me. Okay, so let's recap. The moisturizer I really like. I was a little worried that I wasn't going to sit well under makeup, but I think it looks fine and I really liked it. I will most likely use it more at night than I will during the day, just because it's a little bit heavy for me during the day. I usually like to use a nice light gel moisturizer, but I did really like this and I will use the entire thing. The Benefit Hoola bronzer, total win. Love this stuff so much. And then what was next? The lip product, this lipstick, oh, the eye primer. Where did I put that? Okay, the eye primer. I do like this. I will test it again, like I said, when I'm wearing a more dramatic eye look and kind of am able to wear it throughout the day and see if it actually makes my makeup last. I do like that it was more translucent and it did seem to even out my eyelids, so that was a win. I will likely use up this entire thing, so I did like that. The lipstick, I like the shade, obviously is a little bit more bold than I normally go for, but I think that I will definitely get my use out of this fall and be a little bit more adventurous with my lipstick. The Extra, the shampoo and conditioner, I will use this if I end up liking it. I'm sure you guys will hear about it in a favorites video at some point. And then lastly, the Moroccanoil texture spray. I think this is my favorite thing that was in the box this month. I really, really like this. So everything I liked, which is a huge win in my book. Usually there's one or two products that are either not my shade or just something that I wouldn't typically use. But this month, everything was good. So that is everything for this video. Let me know down below in the comments, do you get this box? And if you do, what was your favorite product that you got this month? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.